Sheikh Latif from Kallakurchi. I joined this QSpiders as an incubation student. Actually, I joined a Java full stack development course. I completed it successfully. I thank to all the trainers who was helping me to learn coding. Uh, Thanks to the Mr. Nandi sir and Kanika ma'am who helped me to clear a lot of doubts. And especially special thanks to the Vandana ma'am. She taught aptitude. His programs is very useful for me to improve my self-confidence. And thanks to the HR team for conducting the interview opportunity.